It's time for Chi's Sweet Adventure. Chi, here we go again. There.
Yohei, this is so much fun.
Ready, Chi? Go get it.
Chi, I'm sorry. Yohei has a really bad cold. Be a good kitty and stay over here today.
Chi wants to play with Yohei, Mommy. Mommy. Chi wants to play with Yohei.
Huh?
Yohei.
Chi! Chi, come here. Oh, Chi. Let's play ball again, shall we? Ready, Chi? There! Huh?
I told you, you have to stay quiet in bed today.
Right.
Chi,
Yeah, Mommy.
Chi stays over here.
Chi wants to play with Yohei.
Nothing beats rice porridge for a cold.
Tiptoe, tiptoe.
There, it's done. Huh? Oh, no? I wonder what she's doing under here.
Oh, that was a close one. Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Huh?
It's nothing, Mommy.
Chi, be a good kitty and stay here in the living room.
Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Huh?
Oh, she's just stretching, that's all. She made it!
Ahem.
Stop
Oh,
it!
Chi, quit it.
She wants to play with Yohei, Mommy! Why does she have to stay here all alone? Oh.
Oh? Chi?
Mommy can't find me. That's it.
I'm so bored. Huh? What's going on?
Yohei.
Chi!
Chi?
Huh?
Is Chi in here?
No, she's not.
She isn't here. She isn't here.
I guess not. Huh? Yohei, your nose is running.
Huh? I'm fine. I really am.
No, you're not fine. Huh? Why is it so heavy? Huh? T.
She was so close.
Oh, Yohei, going to the toilet?
Yohei!
Gee! That's it.
Yohei,
Yeah, Mom.
how are you now?
I'm feeling fine. Feeling great.
Really? You seem rather pale, though.
Of course not. I'm fine, Mom.
Does your tummy hurt?
Really fine.
That's strange. Why are you holding your tummy like that?
Not at all. I'm fine. I'm totally fine, Mom.
Huh? Show me your back.
Eh?
There's nothing wrong, right?
Okay, Mom. Well, you see, there's nothing wrong.
Now turn your back around and raise your hands up, all right?
All right.
Chi. Yohei. Yohei, no more playing with Chi today. If you keep playing, you'll never get over your cold.
But Mom, she wants to play too, so I have to play with her.
That's fine then. I'll play with Chi for you, okay?
Eh?
Ready, Chi? There.
That's no fun.
Oh, coming! Chi, wait right here.
Huh? It's Yohei.
Huh? Huh? Chi! Oh, she's gone again. Oh. Huh? What's that noise? Huh? Huh?
One more time.
Gee!
Yohei!
Gee! Gee, come on! Gee! Gee, grab my hand! Gee!
Yohei!
Ugh.
She's here.
Gee, you came for me. Okay. Gee, wanna play? Wait right here.
Huh? This place, it's nice and fluffy.
Gee! Huh?
Yohei, let's play.
I guess they just wanted to be together. Sleep well and get better, darling.
Gee.
That was so much fun, huh, Yohei?
So, you're staying at home alone? And you hear strange noises? Next, Chi investigates. You're in charge, Chi.
Let's try and look this way. Ready? Look 2,